Are you tired of the hassle and confusion of billing your clients? Learn how Xero makes it easy to create and send invoices. Let's get started. Create your new invoice in Xero. First, navigate to the business menu and select Invoices. Here you can hit New Invoice. The drop-down menu offers different options, such as creating a repeating invoice or adding a new contact. Or, for quick access, just click the plus icon from anywhere in Xero and select Invoice. Now, type in your contact name. You can add a new contact or select an existing one from your list. Here, Xero automatically fills in the invoice number and date for you. But remember to check the due date. If it's not what you need, you can easily change it. Next, fill in the essential details like description, item, quantity, and price. You can specify whether the invoice is tax inclusive or exclusive, and you can change the currency too. Remember, clarity is key here. You want your customers to know exactly what they're paying for. Make sure the account and tax rate are correct so Xero can accurately record this transaction. If you've already set up your products and services in Xero, simply pick them from the item menu. Xero will fill in those details for you, saving you time. Send the invoice to your customer. First, take a moment to preview your invoice. Quick tip: for a customized invoice, go to Invoice Settings. Here you can tailor the invoice to your brand, like changing the font style and size. Click Options to access features like editing, copying, and changing the logo. Choose Edit to set your theme according to your brand suit. It's essential to see how it will look to your customer. If everything looks good, close the preview. If not, no worries, you can go back and make any necessary changes. Once you're happy with it, click Approve and email your invoice. There are options like just approving, adding another, viewing next, getting a link, or printing as a PDF. Confirm the customer's details and click Approve and email. Before sending the invoice, check the customer's details. If you want, you can customize the message. You'll also see options to send yourself a copy and attach a PDF. After selecting your preferences, click Send to dispatch the invoice. Xero sent the invoice and marked it as awaiting payment, and like this, your customer will receive the invoice you've sent. Now you can successfully create and send invoices to your customer. And there you have it. With Saasant Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when Saasant can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.